Meaning of in loco parentis.
In loco parentis.
In loco parentis.
In loco parentis.
In loco parentis. The term in loco parentis is a Latin phrase which means in the place of a parent. It refers to the legal responsibility of an individual or organization to take on the role of a parent for a child or children, particularly in a school or educational setting. This includes providing care, discipline, and protection for the child as well as making decisions about their education and well-being. By assuming this role, the individual or organization is held to the same standard of care and responsibility as a biological parent would be.